World of Trucks today from Indianapolis, Indiana is being brought to you by Honda, the power of dreams. And by Hallmark, built strong for the way you work and play. Welcome back to the World of Trucks, coming to you today from Indianapolis, Indiana. Claude Wood, your host here, and I've always been trying to find some new and innovative products for you. I think I've got one right here you'll really be interested in, and especially when it gets time for winter or you want to add extra weight to your truck. This is Jim with Sure Tracks. Now, how sure are we about this product?
Well, we're quite sure about it. It's a device that's brand new, it's patent pending, and it's intended to add a lot of weight to the back of a pickup truck, full-size, compact, or a performance automobile.
So before you need it, you could store this thing in the cab somewhere under a seat?
It's easily reusable, stowable, it's easy to fill and drain. It's based on water adding into a dual bladder flat panel that goes in the bottom of the truck.
Okay, one thing comes to mind. If I'm adding water to this, how is the material? Will it break easily?
No, the material is a pliable 25 mil vinyl outer layer that protects the inner layer. It allows for expansion. It'll freeze. It's intended to freeze. The outer layer is abrasion and puncture resistant, which protects the inner layer.
Okay, so you manufacture these products.
They're manufactured in South Carolina.
Warranty on the product?
The warranty is 2 years against defects in materials and workmanship.
There you have it. You want to add extra weight to your truck? Sure Tracks. It's the only way to do it. It's time now for Product Highlight, featuring some of the newest, interesting, and innovative products to accessorize your truck. Time for one more product highlight here on World of Trucks today. Now, if you own a late model Ford, Dodge, Chevy, and you want some accessories for it, Lund Products are the people to go to. And Dan, I guess we have a question first of all. Exactly what products do you have for these trucks?
Well, we've got a brand new L2R series truck. It's a new Lund show truck here that you're looking at right here. We've got a variety of new products on it. In the L2R series, we have 5 different components. We start off with the front air dam, and that's a 3-piece front air dam here. It can be painted to match the vehicle, or it's got a UV stabilized material. It can just go on right there. We've got a new visor as well. It's a nice low profile visor. I've got a new running board. Fits on our multi-fit board program. Nice look to it, ABS molded plastic with a nice diamond tread pattern into it. We've also got a new cab fairing that's a no drill application, and this is a unique product because it mounts into the stake pockets of the bed rails. It's got a functional cargo management tie-down system on it, and then it mounts on the rails. So our new roll-up tonneau cover, which sits in between the rails, can fit in there and still function. So you can have a nice cargo management cab fairing and have a tonneau cover on your truck at the same time. And then the final component of the L2R series is a combination hitch cover and a rear under bumper accent. So it accents the under portion of the bumper and gives a nice finish off to the hitch as well.
Well, a lot of great products. Thanks, Dan.
Thank you.
So there you have it. If you have a late model truck that you've just purchased, don't leave it the way it came off the showroom floor. Snazz it up with Lund. And that will put a wrap on this edition of World of Trucks from Indianapolis. For Griff Allen and Bill Stevens, Claude Wood, keep on trucking. For information on products seen today, visit these websites. Be sure to join us next week for World of Trucks from the Masters Ultimate Auto Expo.